Hello, great people. You are all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Guys, we are making the easiest and yummiest pancake. You don't need any ceremony to make this. It is so easy and you're going to love the result. Tastes super yummy. So let's get it started. What you need is of all-purpose flour, milk, melted butter or vegetable oil, sugar. It is optional, you can leave it if you don't want to add sugar. You need salt. Vanilla sugar or vanilla extract is also optional, and eggs. All you need to do now is to add all those ingredients into the main flour, into the all-purpose flour you'll be using. Add everything at once, okay? It is super stress-free, guys. Now it's time to whisk. You have to mix until it is lump-free. Whisk until smooth. If you have a hand mixer like this, it makes it a lot easier. If you don't have, just use whatever you're using to mix it. Make sure you mix until it is smooth. Now allow to rest for 10 minutes or refrigerate till when you need it. It is now time to lubricate your pot with melted butter or vegetable oil. Allow the pot to get hot on the medium heat, and it's now time to start frying it little by little. Okay, when you add the dough into the pot, work it around, let it spread around the pot, and then check the down. Okay, after 2-3 minutes, check the down of the dough. Once it is brown, then flip over and make sure you check the down as well. Okay, then it is ready. This is so simple. All you need to do is just repeat the same process and you're going to love the result. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share. Guys, you can hit it this way. It tastes super yummy because of the vanilla extract or sugar you add into it and the vegetable oil or butter you add into it. It is super yummy. You can serve this with almond syrup. You can serve it with Nutella. And guys, you need to try this. It is easy. Make this your breakfast tomorrow and you're gonna thank me later. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.